times. Long ago is all the way from Adam up to Malachi, the whole Old Testament era. And in many ways, God spoke to the fathers by the prophets. He spoke to them by audible speech. He audibly spoke to Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, David, Elijah, and Daniel, and others. He spoke to the people through angels. Angels spoke to Hagar, Abraham, Moses, Daniel, and others. He spoke through dreams and visions. People are usually aware of Jacob's ladder, Joseph's dream, including the one that caused his brothers to throw him into a pit and sell him as a slave to Egypt. Pharaoh had a dream. Nebuchadnezzar had a dream. And Isaiah and Ezekiel both had visions of God's throne. Prophecies were not random, but progressive. All had to be in place before the living Word of God, Yeshua, Jesus, could become flesh and incarnate in Bethlehem as a baby. So Jesus is the Word of God, but that Word had to be spoken by these prophets and documented before Jesus came.